your Dreamcast randomly resetting itself? You wouldn't believe how easy it is to resolve it. So keep watching, because this is the video for you.
Now, before we jump into the video, please subscribe to our channel and feel free to check us out on eBay at GameXTC. You'll get valuable information on leveling up your video game hardware and software.
The first thing you want to do is flip your console over so that the top shell is facing down, and then remove the modem and undo the 4 screws holding it together. You'll then be able to remove the top shell away from the body of the console. Then unclip the power lead, and then undo the 2 screws that's holding down the power supply. You'll then be able to remove the power supply from your Dreamcast, and that's when we get to work. While some may say you need to do a bit of soldering here to resolve the issue, that's definitely not the first thing that I would do. What you want to do is pretty straightforward. You want to get your Q-tip and some isopropyl alcohol, preferably 99%. Essentially, you just clean the connector pins. Once that's done, you get your power supply, you get a screwdriver, preferably a flathead, and you push forward the pins. You do this so the connection is nice and tight, and then problem solved. Now that's done, we can put everything back together. Remember to reuse the 4 screws to screw back your console, and then you can clip in your modem.